Hello, and how are you today? This is my 4-step cure tip number 23. Exercise. I bet you didn't think I was going to go there with you, but I am. And it doesn't have to be at expensive gyms. There's no need for a membership that you're never going to go to anyway because you just don't feel secure and safe and you don't want anybody to mock you and make fun of you. So start every day at home with just a simple 7 to 10 minute exercise. Just start slow. You don't have to keep up with the Joneses. Start where you're comfortable at. There's so many apps now. It's made so easy. Download something on your phone that keeps you accountable, that keeps you moving. And it doesn't have to be like a lot of weightlifting. Not at this time. Make it something that you enjoy doing and you feel comfortable with doing. Even if it's jumping jacks or moving your leg left to right and lifting your leg while you're brushing your teeth or cooking for the kids or washing your clothes, watching TV. Use those moments to create a 7-minute day exercise for yourself. 7 to 10 minutes a day. Just do something you would normally do. Walk around the house, maybe with a can in your hand. Do some arm lifts, some leg lifts. Just start slow. Because it's the process of starting that means more than anything. You'll elevate. You'll get to the gym. You'll get to that cardio class. You'll get to that cycling class. But be honest and true to yourself. And just start. And that is my pushing point for the day. Enjoy the rest of your day.